Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video here at MT Paradise. So today is the grand opening of Detail Garage Round Rock. So it's going to be an absolutely amazing day. We're going to get a pretty epic lineup right now. We got a couple Porsches here, got a Corvette that's supposed to be, says Ferrari's going to be right here. Got a couple other special cars on the other end, so definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, like I said, grand opening, first day ever. So if you guys are in the Round Rock, Austin area, you guys have to check out Detail Garage. It's right off I-35, so super convenient to get to. But yeah, definitely check this out. And as you do, you gotta stop for a quick breakfast break and eating right off the wing of the car, because why not? You got a giant table with the car, so might as well use it. Alright guys, so this turnout right now is actually really awesome. You got all the nice cars lined up right there, and I mean, look at this crowd. We got like a huge line that's going down, and it was wrapping around the building right before they opened the doors, but yeah, it's such a great turnout. And I do apologize for the wind noise, but I mean, look at this lineup. We got the Huracan, the 488, the Porsches. You got two R8s, and that white R8 is actually the one that we wrapped with that crazy custom camo. Got a race car V8 R8 with a VF Engineering supercharger, so yeah, let's definitely go check those out. Alright guys, so this is the Audi R8 that we wrapped. So you see the Apex vinyl solutions. Heck yeah. But oh my gosh, this thing looks so good. Like, the new wheels that he put on it look incredible. But yeah, what do you guys think of this wrap? Like, looks so good. So Mo's here with his Pontiac G8 GT, which looks so good. Alright guys, so far we have a really good turnout. There's still a lot of people pulling in. But I'm just going to walk around and check out some of the other cars that are here. There's a lot of Mopar for sure. Got this huge Mopar lineup. Got a bunch of other domestics, but also some Japanese. Alright, so we have this Audi in this beautiful Tiffany blue, which I think looks really good. Like, that color is spot on. It's so bright compared to all the other cars here. Other than that with the neon yellow. But yeah, I think its color is really nice. So check out obviously Apex Vinyl Solutions, but this Avery with the diamond purple looks so good in the sunlight. I don't know if you can see like the sparkling in the vinyl, but that looks so good. And on the whole car with all the black trim and the black roof, I mean, this turned out so good. So obviously the C8s are awesome, but I feel like every C8 needs to have a giant wing on the back, because without the giant wing, to me it just kind of looks a little plain. You can put in the comments down below if you guys like the wing, or if you think it should be better without, but in my opinion, with the wing is definitely where it's at. If you guys missed this event, don't worry, this is not the last one. There should be numerous more big giant meetups and events, big sales going on at Detail Garage, Round Rock. Definitely go down and follow all their social media so you can check them out, know when they're having sales and deals, and also big giant meets like this, because this is actually a really good turnout. A lot of awesome people are doing raffles so you can get prizes. So yeah, you guys definitely go check out their social media and stay tuned for the next time they have some kind of event going on. Alright guys, so we got the Golf Livery 4 GT showing up fashionably late, but better late than never. Got the couple golf carts right there, right in front of Detail Garage. Oh, but look at those doors. I just absolutely love that. Like, this car is crazy. Alright guys, so the new Ford GTs are absolutely crazy. There's all kinds of design aspects that are just mind-blowing on this car. Like, for one, look at the way those mirrors just kind of flit right there. But then you notice there's like that giant opening from the rear fender that bridges to the roof. And then those massive radiators right there. But the door is all carbon, and the number's actually exposed carbon that's unpainted, and it looks so cool. These rims are beautiful. The whole front end, I mean, look at these headlights too. All the attention to detail. More carbon all down the side. Oh my gosh, like, this thing is amazing. You see the engine in the back. Got the wing up in race mode. But yeah, these things are insane. It has an Akrapovic exhaust on it too, which is, they sound insane. But you guys see the detail of the big giant openings in the back on each side. And you can just see it right through it. Like, it's just, that's just unreal the way they designed this car. All right, guys, so this is some like next level stuff right here. Like, this is ridiculous. Like, everything's just so open and exposed with like no fenders. Man, look at this thing. It's got like a little pickup truck bed in the back. Looks like a fuel tank sitting up there, but wow. This is a crazy build, but I kind of like it. Like, this is pretty cool. Alright guys, so Seth hooked me up with the kind of glitch tee for the chemical guys, which this looks so cool. It's like kind of like that glitchy look, but yeah, if you guys want a shirt like this or anything else, definitely check out Detail Garage Round Rock. Alright guys, so we just had a Mercedes AMG GTR in a beautiful Magno green. Oh my gosh, this thing looks so good. But this is like one of my dream cars. Like, I love Mercedes, especially the AMG GTR. I guess it was built specifically for track. And this one's known as the Beast of the Green Hell. The Nürburgring is known as the Green Hell, and Mercedes designed this car to pretty much conquer the racetrack and be one of the best cars on it. So, like, super iconic and just beautiful. Alright guys, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it up right there. But if you guys are in the Austin Round Rock area, definitely come check out Detail Garage. They have all kinds of stuff for any auto detailing that you need. But yeah, this place is absolutely insane. And if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button so you can see all kinds of crazy stuff, especially with my Porsche Cayman S. And also maybe it says Ferrari, some future stuff coming. Like I said, like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.